Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to build this culture center designed by Mind Architects. Let's have a look at the image. It's a very cool building. How can we create a surface like this? What we learned before. If I drag my surface creation tools, you can see there are surface from 3 or 4 corners. Planar surface, loft, surface from 2, 3 or 4 edges, patch, sweep 1 rail, sweep 2 rails, or revolve. Let's have a look at the image again. How can we create this top surface? This is my question. You may think we can use loft command. Yes, we can use it. We can create a big surface and then we split 4 sides of the surface. And then we can connect the side surface and central surface by using loft command. But it may be a not very dynamic or very smooth surface you want. Let's see what other command can we use. In this tutorial, we will learn another command to create our dynamic surface by using control points. You can download all of the files from our website. Let's go back to Rhino. First thing, I need to delete my old models. And let's go to Surface Creation Tools again. Find Add a Picture Plane. You can add your background. In this way, we draw our background. You can drag it. And also, this picture is in front of this grid. I will tell you another way to import the background file. Let's go to the command bar and we can input background bitmap. Press enter. Select the background image. And now if we draw a picture, and we'll find this image is behind of our Rhino file. You can see the grid now. For this image, you cannot select it. Okay, let's go to draw a surface and input 0, press enter. Want it to be 50 units and 16 units. Cool. If I want my building map inside of this surface, what can we do? I go to input background bitmap again, this command. And if you have a look at your command bar, we can use align options. Select the start point and the end point. We can click disable object snaps and the top points, the bottom point. Cool. Now the background is already inside of our surface. And also you can move your background like this. You can scale it a little bit. Maybe you want to scale it a little bit smaller. You can do it like this. But let us line it again. Line the background with our surface. Oh, guys, practice. Then we continue the next steps.